Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Trello for personal use. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to trello.com. Over here, click on the login button at the top right corner. Then log in using your email or Google account. After that, click on the board section at the top of the page. Then click on create new board. Now, name your board based on the task or project. After that, select a workspace for your board. Then choose the visibility setting, private, workspace, visible, or public. Now click on the create button. Next, click on add list and create a list named to do. Then add another list named doing. After that, create a done list. Now click on add a card under any list to create a task. Then click on the card to open it and add a description. After writing the description, click Save. Now use features like labels, checklists, and due dates to enhance your cards. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.